This Rapid Holding Systems, showing you one of our nice compact Vise for wire EDM as well as EDM systems. The part number is RHS-WA004. So this one is Rapid Holding Systems EDM manual square precision Vise, and is perfect because of its compact size for the small works, and this is suitable for both the wire EDM and EDM tables to directly install on the tables. As you see, this Vise is having the universal hole, so it is compatible with all the EDM and wire EDM tables. So this one is a tool with the accurate clamping, and this one is very easy to use. This tool comes in the various model. The one that I'm showing is the basic model. It's called the Model 30. And as you see, this listing is available on our website, www.rapidholdingsystems.com. Welcome to inquire us today, and for more information, contact us. We'll get you all the information. Thanks.